that almost all of the important dates this year fall on the day of the week that
there's just something about Teslas that just is a cut above everybody else's. I had this on the MCU this morning when I got in here. I love you too, kitten. She's such a sweetie.
Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. I sure appreciate that little message that was on Ruby when I got out there this morning.
I'm glad that worked. I was pretty sure it would still be up there.
It was basically full screen. It looked great.
Yep, that's a little Tesla love. Well, I am creative, but I can't paint or draw, or that's not my thing. But it's the thought that counts.
I was gonna doctor it a little bit, but I just left it so you could see it.
Okay, I love you. I'll see you in a little bit.
I see you in a little bit too. Kiss, kiss.
Don says he plans to try to wash Ruby this afternoon. It should be close to 50, and before the even more cold air moves in. That would be nice. Good morning, Ruby. There we go. There's the message that Don saw this morning. Little Tesla love. Stopped down here at the end of the driveway to get all the humidity out of the car from yesterday. You know, the inside of the car was way warmer than the outside. Not that I wanted to lose the heat, but I didn't want to fight the humidity battle all the way to the school this morning. The Mustang over there has the plate Juice Pony, Juspny. Pretty, it's just supposed to be cloudy again today. It's 45 out there right now. We were in a pretty thick pack of traffic coming out of Fuquay this morning right off the bat. That was sort of annoying. Several drivers back and forth between lanes jockeying for that one more car in front of them position, which is just super annoying to me at, you know, 6:45 in the morning. It's just, yeah, not what I was doing. We look to be on time to get to the school though, so that's a good thing. You know, 2020 is the year of the holiday, in that almost all of the important dates this year fall on the day of the week that holiday, and that almost all of the important dates this year fall on the day of the week that you, what are you doing? God damn! Johnny, that is a situation. Well, all I got to say is it's really good that Ruby's brakes work. A situation where somebody pulled out because somebody was turning in with no regard for the person that might be behind that person. Well, this is one of those mornings where I just kind of need to sit at the church for a few minutes because I got to get my head back together before I deal with traffic and head back home. Yeah, I'm pulling the dash cam footage now because I hit the button after that near hit back there. And my best recollection is I was just coming into town. The speed limit there is 45. I probably wasn't doing 45. I was probably doing 40. That truck in front of me was turning right into where the new Starbucks is in Garner, and a vehicle waiting to pull out that obviously could not see around the truck decided to go, and poof, there he was as the truck made the turn. And I told Johnny I braked as hard as Ruby's capable of braking. That was a foot all the way down on the brake pedal, and thankfully the person behind me wasn't following close, or they probably would have hit me. You know, that's one of those situations. What do? Hit the idiot pulling out, or force somebody behind you to hit you? I, you know, just got lucky they weren't close. So anyway, excuse me, nothing like a little unwanted excitement first thing in the morning. Yeah, and all I was trying to say about holidays, when that person pulled out in front of me, was that holidays that move days of the week, They're all lined up with weekends this year, either Friday or Saturday. You know, starting with Valentine's Day is on a Friday, so if you want to take your sweetie out for dinner, you know, you can. So it's not on a work night or a school night. So it's kind of a convenient year for holiday stuff. It was a pretty moon set. I pulled over and took a picture, but the clouds are kind of covering it up now. Yay, the sun is out.
Video. I tell you, this girl was a mite surprised. She gave me lots of what?
Sugar.
That's right.
I told Don that it's extra special that he can fluff tissue that well. I don't know why he even try to wrap anything. He just should be the wrapper in our house because that looks like perfectamundo. So Don says the key isn't to fluff one and stick it in there and then keep adding. The key is to fluff them all and then stick them all in at the same time. Okay, Donnie, that's noted. I am making bacon wrapped, cream cheese, and green onion stuffed chicken breasts for dinner tonight. It is one of Johnny's favorites. I think we've established that I like to use a hammer or a mallet in the kitchen to pulverize, beat, flatten, you know, Oreos, graham crackers, pork rinds, and chicken breasts, tenderized chicken breasts. 6 pieces of half-cooked bacon, because that's what's required for to wrap the chicken, and then it'll cook the rest of the way with the chicken. Meanwhile, is that your Valentine's Day treat, Donnie?
That's right, bacon. Chocolate and bacon.
Bacon, that'll do you up just fine.
Yeah.
Donnie's helping me out with a little honeydew. I have lots of dust particles on my mirror.
Right.
And looks like the sensor's good, but the mirror is filthy.
Right.
Filthy. So Don's going to try to help me out here.
Gonna try.
So I'm heating an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and some green onion grilled chicken seasoning, which basically has a lot of rosemary in it, real salt, and organic garlic powder. Those are your friends for seasoning both sides of the chicken. So 50 minutes at 350, and there'll be some delicious juice in the pan. Always love amongst these guys. Hey, bud. I'm on my way to pick up Johnny from school. I accomplished everything I wanted to at the house except a nap. But I'm feeling pretty perky, and I had another cup of coffee, so I'm good. It's 54 out there and beautifully sunny, and such a pleasant day in comparison to some of the rainy, wet days we've had recently. Kind of hard to believe we're supposed to have a hard freeze tonight, but it is what it is, and I'm going to enjoy every minute of this sunshine that I can. I'd heard about this car in town, and when I saw it parked over here by Planet Fitness, I had to come check it out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Because it's sunny and I can. Well, the fire department is here testing their hoses, doing some exercises here at South Park. We've certainly, Don and I have seen this before, but it just usually hasn't worked out that I get to film them. It's a pretty nice, you know, it's pretty, it's just pretty, the way the water does. Zoom in a little bit. Maybe they'll make it go higher again. Well, I have on the jacket. It's now deceptively warm because it's kind of windy. It's 50, low 50s, but it's windy. She looks great, Donnie. Thank you for cleaning up our girl.
Oh yeah, well she cleans up so nice. And you know, it is Valentine's Day. She's got to look good.
And she's ruby red.
Ruby red.
And here's my yummy bacon wrapped, cream cheese stuffed chicken breasts. Well, it's a little bit of a surprise, but Don and I have got something special planned here in the next week to share with you guys.
And it needs something like this.
Yep, something like this. What could it be?
Don't let the LED controller fool you.
Amazon came through for me.
Really?
Really. And just to prove I can poof tissue paper with the best of them, lift up that bag.
Little, cute little thing.
See, it's all poofed. It's just the way it's supposed to be.
I treat you well.
So set that to the side.
Yes, ma'am.
And here's
my present.
present and a card.
So
Now this may follow on and have something to do with the LEDs that came in the mail today.
Okay. Well, I have a hugs and kisses card from my sweetie.
That's right.
It's got a bunch of X's and O's in here. I better read this before I show it to y'all. It might have something in here. Oh, thank you, sweet pea. I love you too.
The thing that you'll love the best about that card
Yeah.
is that it came from Guardian Angel that was only 25 cents.
Oh man, that is the best thing about that card.
I tell you all the time what I feel about you. I don't need a card on February the 14th.
Yes,
I
right.
sound like a guy.
Okay, so I should look at this now?
You can flip that over now. This is going to help you with what's in the bag. He's turn it this way. That's
Okay.
yeah, rotate it that way. Yep. All right, you can look at it now.
Oh, way cool. That's Tesla coil.
That's right. That is exactly what that is.
Wow, that's shocking.
And I think that frame goes perfect with that
does.
print. I do.
It does. That's very cool.
I
Well,
do.
thank you.
So hold it up one more time in case they didn't know now that you told them what it is.
It says 1901 on it.
It does. I guess it's an implication that that's a real photograph, that that's a print of.
I'm sure it probably is.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was really into all that transmission of power wirelessly.
Yep. So it's a hint. Oh, and there's one more thing coming Sunday.
Sunday. Is this a power supply?
It looks like one of your boxes, doesn't
Yeah, it
it?
does.
Like the kind of stuff Don has lots of these little boxes.
Oh,
They got
wow, it's a little thing I get to put together. Got lots of little parts.
That's right.
Oh, it's probably a miniature Tesla coil.
Well, I have to tell you guys that he guessed that quicker than I thought he was going to guess it.
Well, you told me it was, you kind of gave me a hint.
I gave you a
But
hint.
this also was kind of gave me the hint.
Yeah, but there's the coil.
Right.
Yeah, this one has a neat
That's
thing on.
that's the Nixie tube. And this is the actual coil.
So he's going to have to get out the soldering gun.
Iron.
It's not like a glue gun.
No, not like a glue gun. Wow, got a little printed circuit board in there.
Yep.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll have to fire this
There's
up.
a YouTube video to watch, and
Way cool. Well, how cool is that? I never would have thought. So I'm going to have my own little Tesla coil? That'll be shocking.
And again, just a little hint, we're going to build it up during the week.
That's right. Well, there we go.
There's going to be something fun at the end of the week.
I always said my kitten, she makes sparks fly.
Happy Valentine's Day, Donnie.
Thank you, sweetie.